25 and 26. Find each product. So we're just multiplying here. You can look at these all a couple of different ways. For number 24, you could just use the distributive property. That's probably going to be the simplest thing you can do here. You're multiplying 8 times everything inside the parentheses. So 8 times 4k is 32k. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. And so that would be D is the answer for that one. If you wanted to, on this one, you could use the box method that we talked about. It helps you to visualize what's going on. So if you're just multiplying 8 times 4k, it's the same thing. 32k, 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. Same thing. I'm going to do that for these. I'll do that for 25. For 26, I'll use FOIL, which is just the distributive property, a couple of different times. But for this one, I'm going to use the box. So we've got a binomial times a binomial. That's 2 terms in this expression times 2 terms in that expression. So I need a 2 by 2 box, 2 by 2. And then, so let's say 4a plus 4, I put on this side over here, and 2a minus 5, I put on this up here. And we're just multiplying each of the individual boxes based on their side lengths to make the area. So 4 times 2 is 8. Always multiply the coefficients first, and then a times a, just like the previous few problems, a times a, it's a times itself twice is a squared. This box, 4 times 2 is 8 with the a. 4 times, so 4a times negative 5, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then a, and lastly 4 times negative 5 is just negative 20. All right, so now what we need to do is look inside the box and see, do we have any like terms? Yeah, we do. Right here and right there, those are like terms. So what do those combine to make? 8a and negative 20a? Well, they combine to make negative 12a. So now I'm going to write this out. Always put the highest degree in term. Degree is the degree of a term is how many variables does it have in it? Well, this has 2. Each of these has 1. This has 0. So start with 8a squared, the highest degree because it's 8a squared. We just determined this combines to negative 12a minus 20. All right, so let's see which answer that gives us. It would be answer A. So that's that. I'm going to use FOIL, right? First, outer, inner, last, which is just the distributive property a couple of times. So if you need to pause and copy this down, I'll do that now because I'm going to stand in front of this next. So we're going to multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, and the last terms. All right, that's first, outer, inner, last, FOIL. Just an acronym to help you remember. But it's just a distributive property. So 5n times 2n would be 10n to the second, right? Because 5 times 2 is 10, n times n squared. Outer would be 5n times 8, that's 40n. 5 times 8 is 40n. Inner, 3 times 2n, 3 times 2 is 6, 6n. And then 3 times 8, the last 2 terms, 24. All right, so now what's nice is the like terms are in the middle together. 40n and 6n combine to make 46n. So what we get is 10n squared plus 46n plus 24. So let me see which one that refers to, for which answer. It would be B.